Hi children, good afternoon. How are you all? Okay, yesterday we studied about letter S and its sound. So how many of you have practiced the same? Okay, you keep on practicing them, letter S, and you can even refer for the previous videos as well on YouTube. Right? Now, what we are going to do today? We are going to learn number 1. One finger. Okay, this is number 1. Number 1. And how we count that? 1 cell, 1 pen, 1 pencil box. Even we can refer to the rhyme. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Okay? So, keep on practicing that and gather as much as one object, which is count in only one. Gather the objects, okay? So, bye. See you tomorrow.